How do you weld this kind of beautiful fish scales? Today, I will teach you 3 tricks to weld out this solder joint. First of all, we control this wooden. You see that the thinner the material, the more the shoulder is grinded, the thicker the material, the relative is not so sharp, just like this. The material is 90 degrees, then you put it out is just 4 millimeters, which is equivalent to being close to 45 degrees, right? Hey, there's still a millimeter in this really, see no, hey, that's it. The second is that you grab the angle to put it right. How to put it right? Don't put it crooked like this. The third is that we're a little bit bigger. Your 1.0 is an example. I'm now adjusting the current to 15. Try to follow the uniform. 1.81 is a try at a time. You don't want to press it for a long time. A quick one, then you can see it. Press it to go a millimeter. Press a millimeter to go a millimeter. Let's try it. Subscribe me to learn more about welding.